In this video we will be talking about 5 best books on real estate. When done correctly, real estate is one of the most popular and profitable investments, with a lot of potential for success. Real estate investing offers many advantages, and investors can enjoy a steady income flow that may lead to financial freedom. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Here are the list of 5 books on real estate investing. Number 1. The Book on Investing in Real Estate by Brandon Turner. This book provides numerous strategies for leveraging other people's money for amazing returns on your initial investment. Active Real Estate Investor dives into multiple financing methods that professional investors use to tap into current real estate markets. Not only will you be able to navigate the world of creative real estate finance, but you'll get more mileage out of any real estate investment strategy. You will learn how to invest in real estate with no money up front. Number 2. What Every Property Investor Needs to Know About Finance, Tax and the Law by Michael Yardney. This book is an expert guide to financial freedom that reveals how some people work less, earn more, pay less tax, and are more financially secure than others. This book explains how it's not how much money you make that matters, it's how hard that money works and how much you keep that counts. This book has been written for both beginning and experienced investors. Most property investors never achieve financial independence because they don't understand how to use the system. This book is designed to help you treat your property investments as a business and take advantage of the system rather than having it work against you. Number 3. The Real Book of Real Estate by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the ultimate real estate book you will come back to again and again. Read it cover to cover or use it as a guide to help when you need it most. The Real Book of Real Estate will be your number 1 source as you determine the real estate niche that is perfect for you and as you navigate the ups and downs of the real estate market and become the expert you know you can be. Whether you're a seasoned investor or buying your first property, this is the one book you can and will read over and over. Robert's team of real experts shows you how to. These are some examples. Value a property, lease a property and keep it leased, get financing, title and protect entities, find hidden investment opportunities, minimize taxes, and establish your own team of advisors. Number 4. Long-Distance Real Estate Investing by David Green. In this book, real estate investor and police officer David Green shows you exactly how he's built a multi-million-dollar portfolio through buying, managing, and flipping out-of-state properties, often without ever even seeing the properties in person. David shares every tip, trick, and system he has put in place for over 20 rental properties, so you can avoid making mistakes and shorten your learning curve. Don't let your location dictate your financial freedom. Get the inside scoop to invest and succeed anywhere. These are some examples. How to assemble an all-star team to handle each aspect of a deal. How to find great deals in any state, regardless of where you live. How to rehab a project from thousands of miles away without worry or complication. How to speak the language of the agents, contractors, lenders, and property managers you will use. Number 5. Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. In this book, Tom Wheelwright tells you how the tax laws work and how they are designed to reduce your taxes, not to increase your taxes. Once you understand this basic principle, you will no longer need to be afraid of the tax laws. They are there to help you and your business, not to hinder you. Once you understand the basic principles of tax reduction, you can begin, immediately, reducing your taxes. Eventually, you may even be able to legally eliminate your income taxes and drastically reduce your other taxes. Once you do that, you can live a life of tax-free wealth. Real estate investing has many benefits and is a great source of passive income. Because there is a large demand for properties, the value of real estate usually appreciates, increasing your potential for profit. Aside from financial advantages, there are other important benefits of investing in real estate. Thanks for watching.